Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this John Deere 320 that I recently bought. In the last video I talked about what I found that was wrong with this thing sort of after I bought it. It was kind of an unfortunate setback that was going to cost me a little bit more time and money to take care of. But I decided I was going to go ahead and do it. So I ordered a replacement intake manifold for it, new gaskets and so on. And while I was waiting for all that stuff to show up, I went ahead and started to tear down the old stuff and clean it up, get the gasket material off the heads and things like that. And today all the parts that I ordered showed up, so I decided to go ahead and put it back together. Unfortunately, I ran into a problem as soon as I tried to put the replacement intake manifold on. So right here, I have my original one. You can see that it's damaged. That's the whole reason that I was replacing it in the first place. And then here is the replacement that I got in the mail today that's supposed to be for an FD590V Kawasaki engine. Now they look very similar, I mean nearly identical, but if you can tell, the one on the top is bigger. And the reason that it's bigger is because it's actually for an FD590V. The problem that I just found out that I have is that the engine that's in this tractor is not an FD590V, even though that's what the John Deere 320 tractors were supposed to come with. This is not for an FD590V. That's not something I really anticipated whenever I started to fix this, so I just ordered the parts that I thought that I needed for this tractor. Unfortunately, they're wrong. A little further investigation on the top of the air cleaner where the sticker is shows that this engine is actually an FD440V. Those never came in the John Deere 320. That came in the LX178 and maybe some other ones, but that's one that I know that it came in. I mean, I'm definitely partly at fault here because I didn't actually look and see what the the tag on the side of the engine said. The engines, they look nearly identical between the two, so like there was nothing out of the ordinary here that made me think that it was the wrong engine. Either way, this is probably going to be a learning experience that I take moving forward, and I make sure that I start to check things a little more closely. So unfortunately I don't have the right engine in this tractor, even though it would work if I could fix it. The problem is I can't find a replacement intake manifold anywhere for it. These engines seem to be a lot more scarce, and there's just no parts around on eBay or anything for it. So that sort of puts me in quite a pickle. So now I'm not really sure what to do with this tractor. Do I go ahead and go through trying to find another intake manifold for it, even though so far my searches have come up with nothing? Or do I just decide to part this thing out? The problem with parting it out is this engine's probably the only thing on the tractor that's worth a fair amount of money to get my money back out of it. So what else do I do? So I'd love to hear your opinions about it in the comments below. What do you think I should do with this thing? Do you think I should just go ahead and try to fix it anyway? Or do you think I should just part it out and forget about it? Anyways, like I said, I just wanted to follow up on the last video, let you guys know where this stands, and like I said, get your opinions on what you think I should do next. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.